Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Bluetooth full setting guys, how to use Bluetooth setting, how to pair your Bluetooth device on oppo phone device. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo phone device. So friends, click on Bluetooth setting and friends on your phone Bluetooth. After on guys, refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, with device friends you want to connect and friends you want to pair on your oppo phone. So friends, again refresh available device friends, you can see. So which device guys you want to pair, select your device name and friends you will get here pair notification. So guys, click on pair option and friends now you can pair this Bluetooth device and you can use it. Friends, you can see pair device. And friends, you want to rename your Bluetooth device name, which device friends you have paired friends, collect or select here and got it. Friends, I will send to my Bluetooth my Bluetooth device, my Bluetooth speaker. So guys, I will rename into my Bluetooth speaker and save. Friends, you can see which device friends I have paired. Friends, you can see I can rename also. And friends, if you click in unpair option, so friends now you cannot use the device again. If you use friends again, you will have to click on pair option. Then friends you can pair, otherwise guys you cannot pair. So guys, I will cancel it. And friends, you can check your oppo phone Bluetooth device name, and friends you want to rename your oppo phone Bluetooth device name, friends you can rename. So guys, I will rename into oppo phone and rename. So once you can see device name will rename means device name will change. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting on oppo phone device. We can pair and unpair Bluetooth device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.